I wanted to ask you to get some more tips off you. So I've been on the show only a handful of days. I'm still learning every show.
Weeks. I know.
Yeah, it's flying times when you're having fun.
We see you every morning. So when I'm in, we arrive in about 10 to 6 in the morning and the TV's on, and you guys always come on around 6 o'clock. 6, half 6 in the morning, and we always have to watch. So we always see what you did. So you did that night before Christmas and all yesterday morning as well. We saw it. Very impressive.
I know you were watching.
Copied us, mind you.
The producers. We're copying your producers.
Yeah, but I haven't had my complete F up yet with the 10 siblings thing.
It's not an F up. Just embrace it.
Yeah, how are you dealing with that? I want to ask you.
I've had many more F-ups that have thankfully not gone as viral as that. But yeah, the 10 siblings moment was, do you know what, Greg? When I started it, I took a lot from rugby into this. I was doing my research. I was very diligent. I knew my guests, read all my notes. I was very on top of it. And then I thought when I played some of my best rugby, I was, off the cuff, just playing it a little bit looser and stuff. And it was the summertime, so I thought it wasn't too serious. So I did that and looked at the screen, hadn't read my script, and haven't done it since.
So funny.
Well, big learning curve.
Listen, it's a bit of fun. I think Seamus O'Reilly hopefully sold a lot of books over it. And there was no malice in it. And do you know what? I didn't realise. I actually thought, I had a message that day from a friend who I wouldn't normally hear from, sent me a couple of laughing emojis. And I kind of thought he was talking about a funny segment in the cookery section, because I generally make that amount of gaffes in the show.
When you texted me, going, oh, this happened because it was during the summer and I was off, and I was like, but that was kind of normal. That was like, you'd have a couple of those kind of blunders before 8 a.m.
Well used to that.
And I was like, oh my God, my friends are texting me, so yeah.
Probably comes from like the dressing room banter. You're well used to getting slagged and stuff like.
Listen, I got a 0 out of 10 in the paper once. Like, you'd think you'd get a 1 for just running out onto the pitch. Yeah. So I'm well used to it.
Yeah.